Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my Igniter review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm gonna give you a full overview. I'm also going to show you what the prices and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of Igniter. In a nutshell, Igniter, it's a brand new course by Robin Palmer. It consists of two parts. The first part is he's gonna give you a done for you product. You can plug this product to Warrior Plus and you can either charge people a monthly fee or a one-time payment for this product. He's gonna give you the product and everything regarding the product. As for the second part, he's gonna show you on how to set up your own product from scratch within 7 to 14 days. So if that interests you, please stick with me during this review as I'm going to break down everything for you. I'm gonna check out the members area later, but if you would like to pick up Igniter anytime during watching this review video, click the first link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page, scroll down and click on one of these buttons that says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page. My first exclusive bonus that I'm gonna give you is gonna be exclusive for the first upsell buyers. I'm gonna give you license rights to everything. These are products launched by Brendan Mays, and if you are into the make money online niche, you'll know that Brendan Mays is maybe the first or the second Warrior Plus affiliate in the world. I'm gonna give you access to all his product license rights. You can sell all these products as your own. These are worth over $10,000. I'm giving you access to this if you buy the first upsell. We're gonna talk about the upsells later. Let me just jump to my second bonus, which is gonna be access to where to find and recruit affiliates. Because basically, if you are a newbie, maybe you can sell up to 50 copies of your course, but if you want to make the most amount of money, you will need to recruit affiliates. I'm going to show you on where to find these affiliates and how to recruit them, how to ask them to join your launch. The third bonus is going to be access to done for you pages or bonus pages. I'm going to give you access to done for you bonus pages. Basically, you can plug these bonus pages with your product. If you want to sell products, you have to give bonuses. This will entice people to buy. I'm gonna give you done for you bonus pages. I usually charge people $197 for this because it's a 365. I'm gonna give you done for you bonus pages for the whole year until 2021, until June 2021 basically. So I'm giving you access to this as my third bonus. My fourth bonus is going to be access to Urgency Suites Pro. Let me just show you Urgency Suites Pro. You can add these scarcity bars into your sales pages and they are proven to make 6 times more results. So you get 6 times more results and your visitors will convert if you put these scarcity bars. You can also add a countdown timer. Let me just show you an example right here. You can add these countdown timers to your sales pages and it will boost your sales. My fifth bonus is going to be access to how to automate everything, because Robin Palmer is going to show you on how to do everything by yourself. I'm going to show you on how to automate the process if you want to outsource. If you want to sit back and relax and make big commissions, I'm gonna show you on how to automate everything. And my last bonus is gonna be access to all vendors' bonuses. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all my extra bonuses right here. These are exclusive to me and they are not gonna be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So if you want to get access to all my bonuses, just buy or purchase Igniter via my bonus page before the countdown timer hits 0. Let's take a look at the sales page before we jump to the members area. So from 0 to $18,000 with simple two-step formula. You don't need to pay for website and you don't need an email list. No experience, 100% newbie, and all this good stuff. Look how much money this method has made. We have some income proof from Robin Palmer here, and all that good stuff. We have some testimonials here from John Newman, Jim Paul La Rosa, and Dan Khan. The Igniter method. Here we have some information about the Igniter method. Why do we call it the Igniter and all this good stuff? You can check out the sales page at your own time. Now I'm gonna go and show you the whole page. Basically, we're gonna jump to the members area right now. Then we're gonna talk about the prices in the upsells. As you can see, we have some sections right here. At the first section, it's the welcome section. In the overview, he's gonna show you on the overview of the method. The first day, he's gonna give you the done for you product right here. We have some videos where he shows you on how to set up the done for you product. He gives you all the resources. As you can see, the done for you sales page, done for you product, and all this good stuff. I'm not gonna reveal more because you have to pick up Igniter to find out about all this stuff or to get more details. Set up your product within 7 to 14 days. This is the second part where he's going to show you how to set up everything, how to make the course and all of that good stuff. He's not going to tell you go to these PLR sites and buy PLR books and basically resell them. No, he's going to show you how to create high quality products and how to design them and how to sell them and all that good stuff. Then he's going to show you how to generate traffic. Basically, you don't have to worry about traffic because when you get access to all my bonuses with the done for you, obviously with the done for you bonus pages, you're going to get tons more conversions. Now at the resources section, he's going to give you all the resources that he mentioned inside his course. And then we have the bonuses given to you by Robin Palmer. Then we have the upgrades if you want to upgrade. Let's talk a bit about the prices and the upsells and let's wrap this video up. The front end, all I just showed you is gonna be $9.97, and I'm pretty sure with my bonuses it's gonna be a no-brainer because I'm giving you license rights to everything worth over $10,000. If you don't believe me, go to Warrior Plus and check each and every product that Brendan Mace has launched. You'll see that it's maybe more than $10,000 worth of products. I'm giving you license rights to that alongside the front end. You don't have to buy any upsells, I'm giving you that in the first upsell. You have to pick up the first upsell, but it's only $17. So you're gonna pay $10 for the front end, everything I just showed you. Then you're gonna pick up the upsell number 1, and you're gonna get access to all these license rights. The first upsell is gonna be the Igniter Advanced for $17. Income hacks and advanced method I use to crank out product, digital assets, even faster. Use this to build your digital empire. Then the second upsell is the Igniter Beast Mode for $37. I will show people my 30 to 60 days traffic strategy challenge method. If you want to see how Robin drives traffic, definitely go for the second upsell. It's reasonably priced. I see that his funnel is really reasonably priced. For the first upsell, $17. Most people charge like $37 or $47. It's $17. You get advanced training, and for $37 he's gonna show you how to drive traffic, which I think is really great. The third upsell is going to be Igniter reseller rights. It's for $97. You get 100% commission on the whole funnel. You can sell Igniter as your own product. Like I said, definitely pick up the front end. Pick up the first upsell if you want access to my exclusive bonus with the license rights to everything. And if you want traffic, go for the upsell number 2. If you want to sell Igniter as your own, go for upsell number 3. I hope you like my review, guys. You can come back to this page and pick up Igniter via my bonuses as long as this countdown timer is still running. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments. I will answer all your questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.